Assalamu alaikum. I'm from Wolfville. Right now I'm with Mr. Stephen and I was coming for the walk and I just saw this young handsome man and I said, hey, what's going on? And he just told me that I'm making some special things online and this and that. I said, come on, man, I'm the perfect guy for this job. And he just started doing that and I'm okay. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and today is Sunday and I just came for the morning walk. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I love this place. I love this sea. I love this air. It's a fresh air. So I think we will have some meeting next time with Mr. Stephen. Right now I don't want to disturb him more, but he's a good man and he knows the technology and he knows so many stuff. So we will be back, inshallah. Inshallah, you know the meaning of inshallah, Mr. Stephen? Inshallah mean in our language that, in Arabic especially, that if the God wants, if the God will, we will be back and we will see you again. So thank you guys, thank you very much. See you again. And I pray for everybody and God bless you, and you have a good day.